noticing lately? Taking your time, losing my mind.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. In this video, we are doing an extreme decluttering of my master bedroom. I am cleaning, I am decluttering the closets, I am organizing. There's just so much to do in this room which has gotten out of hand. So I'll hope you'll stick around as we transform this room into something that feels a lot more like a bedroom again. So before I can begin decluttering, I have to clean up a little bit, and I'm starting in this space right here because this is where this lounger that you see on the right was. I don't know if you've seen any of my videos before in the bedroom. I had a little reading area right here with a full body lounger, which took up a lot of space. So I decided to remove that chair out of the room as much as I loved it. But yeah, so this area, it's all the stuff that were just hiding under there. So I'm cleaning this area up, and then I am going to move around the bed a little bit, and then I will get to decluttering the clothes.
What to say? You don't wanna be with me.
I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you to all the viewers who are coming back, returning viewers who've been here before. I thank you so much for your support. I've been doing these YouTube videos for about a year now. Although I didn't do them consistently, I've done quite a bit of them by now, and I appreciate you watching them and coming back. And for new viewers, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will find motivation in this video, and you will hit subscribe so that you can see other similar videos where I'm doing cleaning and decluttering and organizing and trying to just keep my head above water. Really making these videos motivates me, and I hope that it really in return motivates you to tackle different parts of your life that maybe are getting a little cluttered as well. So thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you soon.
Will I ever be the same? You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? And I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby.
So I wanted to show you guys quickly what my kids were busy doing while I was busy cleaning and organizing. This is how they were spending their time. Okay. So for parents out there who have little kids, you might be able to relate that while you're cleaning and organizing, this is how your kids might be spending their time. All right. Does this ring a bell for anybody else? So now that the bed is neatly organized and the space feels a little bit cleaner over here, I'm gonna start with the laundry baskets that were full of clothes that were washed. I'll fold all of them, and there's a lot of them. And then we will proceed to decluttering and emptying out the closets.
And now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on.
If you've seen some of my other decluttering videos, you may know by now that I don't really do the Marie Kondo style of decluttering and reorganizing, just because I get overwhelmed with too many things all at once, and the reality of how much work there is actually to do kind of freaks me out a little bit. So I do things in phases. So right now, as I said, I'll just be folding all of the laundry that were in the baskets, and then next, what I'm going to do is go through the closet sort of kind of section by section. I will remove all of the things that are right here in front of the closets. Then I will remove all of the items that were on the floor of one side of the closet, go through those. And then I will go through the clothes themselves, and then I will do the same thing to the other side of the closet.
Always on my mind. I do the things should do. So I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day.
For anyone wondering what is occupying so much real estate in my bedroom and on the floors of my closets, well, as I said previously, I'm a little bit of a hoarder. And so I have things in here that I keep just in case. I had all those boxes that I took out earlier, had these wedding dresses that I have from a little wedding dress business that I had. A lot of these here are baby clothes that I've kept from when I had my kids, just in case. I don't know, just in case maybe I had more kids, I don't know. And just like things that I brought from my office when we emptied our offices, just different things. So these are all the bags, if you guys can believe it, that were just occupying space, and I know now that I don't need them. And although this has been so hard and emotional for me to kind of go through these baby clothes and realize that I don't want to keep them anymore, I was able to get rid of them. I was able to donate all of them. So we hold on to things for emotional reasons, but really a lot of times we actually don't need these things. But anyways, like things that I know for sure I will probably use, like for example, like shoes that I'll need for the office and things like that, I'll put them off to the side, and I will keep them somewhere, probably in the garage for now. And then everything else that I know for sure I will not be using, I'll be getting rid of.
Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be.
So this whole job took me 2 days to do. So at this point, I am pretty much done for this first day. This is where I kind of had to leave everything, stuff still on the bed. So needless to say, we really didn't use this room for that night. And then I had to come back to it the next day. I had to stop for two reasons. One, because this was a massive job and I had other things I had to go do. But also secondly, we were getting one of the walls in this bedroom painted. It's the wall behind the TV there. It like had cracks on it and things like that. So we had to get it fixed and painted. So I had to stop for the day because painters were coming in here. But then I continued on this second day.
Memories that we made won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for a second.
So all this work so far has been on the outside of the closet and on one side of the closet. So now I'm going to move on to this side of the closet, which has all of the shelving. That first side there, of course, just had like the hangers, the hung up clothes. And also I should mention that I am only really organizing and showing here things that I'm doing with my sides of the closets, okay? There's a whole other side to both sides of the closet that belong to my husband that he will be responsible for going through and decluttering and organizing. But for now, a lot of the stuff that were just occupying space and making a mess really are my stuff. And so this is why this video is, so long and has so much going on, because I am responsible for a lot of the declutter that was going on here. Okay, I have a problem. So at this point, I've taken out everything that I don't need, and everything that's left here are things that I am keeping. So I'm just gonna fold them and organize them before I bring back everything that I had previously folded on the bed, and put away all the clothes that I have previously gone through from the laundry baskets.
Want it easy, want it badly, but I can get what I want. Too much pressure, too much pleasure, but not much to rely on. Your love ain't free, it's killing me. I want it to end all, 'cause I've been trying, I've been waiting for so long. I'm waiting, 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 waiting. Waiting, 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 waiting. It's hard to do and it hurts to say, but if you love something, let it go. Tomorrow comes, it's another day. So if you love something, let it go. If you love something, let it go. If you love something, let it go.
And this is pretty much it for the closets. I have these little baskets that I had gotten from the dollar store a few years ago. They're kind of like catch-all little baskets that I put on top. And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna clean up a few areas of the room, tidy up, vacuum, and then we should be all done with this room.
Yes, I could rethink what I'm thinking if I had control, but I don't, so don't you be asking why I love you so. Your love ain't free, it's killing me. I want it to end all, 'cause I've been trying, I've been waiting for so long. I'm waiting, 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 waiting. Waiting, 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 waiting. It's hard to do and it hurts to say, but if you love something, let it go. Tomorrow comes, it's another day. So if you love something, let it go. If you love something, let it go.
And that is pretty much it for this room, you guys. I love how the closets turned out. I mean, you can actually look through and you can see the floors of the closet. So I'm pretty happy with how everything turned out. And now I know that everything that I have here are things that I actually use. The rest of the room also looks really good. I feel like the bed is now centered, so it looks nice and like a bedroom again, which was what my goal was at the beginning. Removing that chair there, although I'll miss it because it was comfy, it was just taking up too much space. So I'm just super happy with how everything turned out. And that's pretty much it for this room, you guys. I'm overly happy with how everything turned out. I mean, it's never perfect. It's always a work in progress, but overall, I like where we are ending. I mean, it's looking pretty good, right? I mean, what else is there to do? And just like that, just as I thought, we were pretty much done with this room and can move on. It turns out there is still a lot to do. So I guess we'll have to do another video. Thank you guys so much for watching this one. I hope you've liked it. I hope that you found some motivation for tackling things in your own house and in your own areas. And I hope that you can take it easy. Life is short and it's for the living. Thank you so much. Appreciate you for watching, and I really hope to see you next time. Bye.
If you love something, let it go. It's hard